In this video, I will be showing you how to design a car wash flyer in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen by clicking into the search bar and typing car wash flyer. Once the results load, I can scroll through the various templates to find a layout that works for my brand. I'm going to select this cream and navy retro template. A preview window opens up showing different printing options, but I'll go ahead and click Customize this template to open the editor. Now that I'm in the editor, I want to replace the central graphic. I'll navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for car. I'll browse through the available graphics and photos to find a better fit. I'll try out a simple orange car graphic first, but I think a high-quality photo would be more effective. I'll select this silver sedan photo, and to make it blend into the design, I'll use the Background Remover tool under the Edit Photo menu. Once the background is gone, I can resize the car and position it perfectly in the center. Next, I need to update the text to match my business. I'll click on the header and change the company name. Then I'll move down to the service packages and adjust the pricing for the basic, standard, and premium levels. I also want to modify the promotional badge. I'll change the discount from 50% to 40%. I'll spend a moment refining the placement of the car and the badge to ensure everything looks balanced. To give the flyer a more polished, professional feel, I'll search for texture in the Elements tab. I'll select a grainy, distressed overlay and stretch it to cover the entire design. To keep it from being too overbearing, I'll open the transparency settings and lower the opacity until it creates a subtle, vintage finish. With those final touches, the design is complete and looks great. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create a fantastic flyer for your business.